So today I want to do a demonstration on how to clean air conditionings. Okay, so we have an air conditioning up here, and what you do is anytime you get the AC, you know what happens is the air comes in here. The hot air comes in here, the AC works itself and then spits out cold air. That's basically dummy terms of how an air conditioning works. So, in also dummy terms, all the air that's in this room is all dusty, you know, from being outside, people's clothes, everything like this. So, the dust is collected here at the filter. Okay, you have the filter. This one is already clean, I just cleaned it. But I just want to show you a demonstration on it because anytime you go into a hostel, a hotel, anything, and this stuff is caked. It'll be this much stuff, dust, and you're breathing in all this dust, you know, anytime you turn the AC on. So I recommend, highly recommend, it takes 2 seconds to do, pull it out, okay? And then go spray it with your, you know, bum gun, you know, or the sink or something and rinse it off. Make sure it's all clean, you can see through it. And then you push it back up here. And some have the slots in it, and then they have these little tabs down here to interlock at the bottom. So you basically just line it up and lock it back in the bottom, and that's it, close it. In the hotels or anything, probably you don't even know how to do it because you'll be surprised how many people I go to and I say to them, I say, listen, do you know about your AC filter? And they say, what is that, you know? And they only get, most hotels or hostels, they pay an AC company to maybe come and check maybe like 1 or 2 times in a whole entire year. These filters will get dirty in 1 or 2 weeks. So it's always recommended to check it yourself and clean it yourself. Hold on. And do it yourself, because also you can tell the people what I just told you to help out, because if the AC is clogged up with dust, it overworks itself and eventually the AC will blow up. And this AC is not cheap, maybe $1,000, $2,000, you know, not cheap at all. So it's always good if you let other people know too, so that they can take care of their equipment better, and also for the next guest in line.